Is it time to buy or sell Richtech Robotics stock? In this video, we will explore Richtech Robotics in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 4th of December, 2024, our system has identified Richtech Robotics as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.33. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis have experienced an impressive gain of 257.68% since we first designated Richtech Robotics as a buy candidate 28 days ago. This equates to an average return of 9.2% each day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward. Our latest daily update for Richtech Robotics includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Richtech Robotics Inc. stock price on Wednesday, moving between $2.67 and $3.16. The Richtech Robotics Inc. stock price gained 10.38% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2025, rising from $2.60 to $2.87. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 18.35%, from a low of $2.67 to a high of $3.16. Over the last 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 of those days, resulting in a drop of 17.77% for this period. On the last day, the volume fell by 24 million shares, with a total of 31 million shares bought and sold for approximately $89.36 million. It is important to consider that decreasing volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $12.29, while the lowest price was 30.2 cents. Currently, the price stands 76.65%, or $9.42, below the 52-week high of $12.29, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rolls-Royce has experienced an impressive resurgence, with its share price soaring nearly 1,500% from its 2020 lows, reaching a record high of 600 pence in 2024. This remarkable turnaround is primarily attributed to the recovery of the civil aviation sector, which has significantly boosted demand for the company's engines and services. In December, the share price maintained a strong rally, peaking at 598 pence, making Rolls-Royce the standout performer within the Financial Times Stock Exchange 100 index. Despite this bullish trend, concerns linger over the sustainability of such rapid growth, especially following a recent pullback from its November high of 592 pence to 553 pence. This shift raises questions about potential volatility and market corrections, particularly as investors weigh the long-term viability of the stock. The existing momentum suggests that in the short term, the stock may continue to attract bullish sentiment, especially with a robust civil aviation recovery and management's effective turnaround strategies. However, the risk of a harsh reversal could overshadow the gains, particularly if economic conditions change or investor sentiment shifts. In the long term, the company's ability to innovate and adapt in its market will be crucial. Consequently, while current performance paints an optimistic picture, both potential catalysts and risks will play significant roles in shaping Rolls-Royce's stock price trajectory moving forward. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 26th of April, 2022, it was reported that JP Morgan assigned RR an underweight grade alongside a downgrade action. Analysts have given Richtech Robotics stock a general strong sell rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts also assign the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Richtech Robotics. The The stock of Richtech Robotics Inc. currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. As the short-term average stands above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $3.08. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the long-term average around $1.74. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. Thus, the stock warrants close observation. There have also been some negative signals that could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 6th of January, 2025, and so far the stock has declined by 30.17%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 7 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average points to a buy signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 31 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 17 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Richtech Robotics. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $2.70 and $2.67. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may cause the stock to decline to the next support level. In this instance, Richtech Robotics Inc. finds support just below today's level at $2.70. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $2.67 and $2.60. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, characterized by volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 490 cents between its high and low, which is an increase of 18.35%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 30.01%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Richtech Robotics, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Richtech Robotics. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Richtech Robotics is at $2.90. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Richtech Robotics encounters its first support level at $2.70. If this support level remains intact, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Richtech Robotics from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest transaction occurred on the 8th of August, 2024, when King Bliss Limited conducted an insider sale of 2 million shares of Class B common stock. We recommend setting a stop loss at $2.72, reflecting a decrease of 5.38%. This stock experiences substantial daily fluctuations, resulting in a significantly high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been triggered from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is Richtech Robotics stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Richtech Robotics Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements during the last trading day, our systems identify that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 16th of January, we anticipate that Richtech Robotics will open at 3 cents and begin trading at $2.90. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.